Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to import data into Google Sheets. Importing data is a useful feature that allows you to bring information from an existing file into Google Sheets. This can save time because you do not need to manually type all of the data again. To get started, open a new Google Sheets spreadsheet. Once the spreadsheet is open, go to the File menu at the top of the screen. From the File menu, select Import. This will open the import file window. Now go to the Upload tab. From here, you can upload a file from your computer. Click Browse and select the file that you want to import into Google Sheets. This can be a spreadsheet file, such as an Excel file or a CSV file. After you select the file, Google Sheets will upload and process the information. Depending on the file type and the available options, you may be able to choose how you want the data to be imported. For example, you can choose to create a new spreadsheet, insert the imported data into a new sheet, or replace existing data when the available options allow it. Choose the option that best matches your needs. If you want to keep your current spreadsheet unchanged, importing the data into a new sheet can be a useful option. After selecting the import option, click Import Data. Google Sheets will then bring the information from the selected file into your spreadsheet. Once the import is complete, you can review the data, make changes, apply formatting, and continue working with it just like any other data in Google Sheets. Importing data is especially useful when you already have information saved in another spreadsheet file and want to continue working with it in Google Sheets. And that's how you can import data into Google Sheets. With just a few simple steps, you can upload an existing file and bring its information into your spreadsheet. Thank you for watching this guide. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more helpful Google Sheets tutorials and technology guides. See you in the next video.